Hopkins for Buffalo. First down. Allen fires it. Intercepted. 3rd and 10 for the Cardinals. Murray steps up. Murray brought down at the 35. First down. 3:35 to play. 4th quarter. Buffalo gets it back at its own 22. Allen, the throw to Step.
The last few times they've shown it.
From the gun. Allen throws it. Oh, what a grab!
This is at the top of the screen coming in the game cold to play corner.
They send Dawson all the way to the outside. Allen, the middle opens up. Allen cuts to the outside. He's got a foot.
I'd move it to the 40 the way he's hitting the ball to death.
They're down in 5. Allen steps. He throws underneath. We're down to 1:22 to play. Allen looks, rifles it. It's complete. They have a chance to move to 8-2 on the season. 2nd and 1 for the Bills. They handle the rush. Allen looking. End zone. Touchdown. Stephon Diggs with the grab. The Bills take the lead. Field, so only 2 remaining for the Cardinals. 34 seconds left. Murray fires it. And Murray. Quick throw. DeAndre Hopkins. And Cardinals have to work the sideline here. Murray out of the pocket. Looks downfield. Now looks to the other side. Using a lot of time. Murray throws underneath. Shotgun. Murray out of the pocket. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. Murray heaves it downfield. It is. Oh, it's caught. It is caught. DeAndre Hopkins. Miraculous. It's Murray magic. Area. And DeAndre Hopkins is the man who comes away with it.
He went over the top of Tre'Davious White. Jordan Poyer came in late. He's got Micah Hyde on his back and catches it and positions.